When fruits are ripe, children climb up the tree, their laughter echoing through the yard as they pick the fruits. Carefully, not to drop even a single one, they distribute these fruits among their neighbors, their faces beaming with pride and joy. This is a sight that's replicated in yards across Kingston, a testament to the sense of community that pervades this city. It's a tradition that's been passed down through generations, a cherished part of the local culture. It's a simple act that speaks volumes about the spirit of sharing and togetherness that's inherent in the Jamaican way of life. From the grounding feeling of climbing a tree to the sweet or sour taste of any fruit tree, the bounty of Kingston Yards is apparent. It's a journey of sensory delight, a journey that takes you to the very heart of Kingston. In the simplicity of a yard, we've tasted Jamaica's richness, one fruit at a time.